Hiya guys, and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to put together an interchangeable needle set. This is a HiyaHiya 10mm bamboo tip, which you can put on either our straight needles or onto a cable. So this is one of the straight needles you can pop on. It comes in a pack with 3 adapters on the end to make whatever length you choose. And these are our Panda stoppers, which screw onto the end to complete a straight needle. But to show you how to put these together, I'm going to use a cable. This is a 16-inch cable with a large adapter. So what you want to do is pop them together and screw them on using the metal at all times, if not you might damage them. Screw it as far as you can go just before the gold disappears. You then want to grab your cable grips, one on each side, and twist it tight the rest of the way, and this will make sure it stays locked during your knitting. Doesn't come undone. If you don't use these, they can come loose quite easily. Just gives you that extra grip to make sure it's screwed on tightly. Once again, need to state, do not grab it by the bamboo. If you screw on holding it by the wrong area, you can damage them, but as long as you use the method I'm showing here, they'll last you a long while. And that's how you pop them together and get ready to start knitting.